Hello guys, it's Mirrors and Windows here, and welcome back to another coding video. Well, I'm pretty sure this is day 9, right? Obviously you see day 8 was uploaded on the same day as day 9 due to me having poor time management. But yeah, so last time we worked on was on tools. Today I'm gonna introduce you to tasks. Then I don't know why I did that. This script here hasn't been used, but there's task function. So you know times how I'd say if you had a code, you have to do something else in order to get it to run. Why is this not commented out? I don't know, man. It is. See, light throws me off by a lot. But this would be task 1. Let's say task 1 is cool. So you have task 1 here, and then you have task 2. Naturally, if you were to do this, you know how sometimes I said there's some ways you can make this, because how Roblox works is it runs from the top to the bottom. It wouldn't do anything else. So if you're having a task here, remember how last time if you were to make something destroy or something like that, it was a delete instance. If you were to make it a specific type of way, it would do that first, and then the rest of the code is just there waiting. But let's say if you want things to run at the same time, these are what these task functions can do. So you know the usual one, which is task.wait. It pops up here, makes this wait 1 second, and then runs. You know what I'm saying? And then there's another one. Let's say that's task 3. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, this is task 3, but task 2 is under task 3. So how can task 3 really be task 3 if it's under task 2? Would a task 2 be task 3? Yeah, you get what I'm saying. But this would be written like this. You would put how many seconds you want for it to wait. Let's put 2. Because 1, print that. I'm gonna put 2.5 just to be safe. And then with this one, you have to wrap it in a function of thread. I'm not too keen on thread, so now if you were to run this, you'd see what I mean. See, it went task 1, task 2, and then it waited a bit and printed task 3. But it's mad because task 2 comes after task 3. This is what task.delay does. And there's a whole bunch of them. There's task.spawn to run them at the same time. There's defer. And I'm gonna go through all of them, and yeah, you guys don't know how it goes. I'll be back. Right, because the next one will be a lengthy one, I decided, you know what, let me just start from this one. Cool, so we had another one here. And I'm gonna just see what happens first. Okay, so this comes automatically even if I wrap it in a variable. Basically, what I wanted to show you is the fact that AI knew crazy. See, I got lucky. You can just sometimes cancel the task outright. Again. Again? Nah, hold on. I'm gonna have to keep doing this until, yeah. Yep. I'll probably do this though. You got lucky this time. But yeah, you could do up a task cancel before and cancel something you might not want after a criteria. Pretty useful if I say so myself. Well yeah, on to the next. Right, task.spawns. So Oh man. I should really focus more on my sleeping schedule. Because I'm beyond tired right now. I've got to get this done. This is my life. Cool, so Tarsal Spawn. Where should I put it though? So Tarsal Spawn is like Tarsal Delay. You wrap it in a function and then you wrap whatever you want, whatever task you want it to within that function. So it looks something like this. Atashiwa0. Atashiwa0. Hold on. I'm geeking. Let me. Cool, you're gonna see what happens because usually when you have a true statement, it would just keep doing this. Like none of these would run. But because I slapped it in a spawn function, you'll see what happens. See? 0 appeared like once and then just stopped. You know what I mean? Let me do up this. Every 1 second. You done it once and then stopped. But yeah, literally that. So that is Tarsal Spawn. It allows everything else to run. And this just runs in tandem. Is that how you say do it? Man, I'm tired right now, but yeah, it just runs alongside the rest. There's one more though. I'm gonna go learn it, I'll be back. You guys know how it goes. So the last one is Task.defer. This one is probably the easiest to explain what it is. I think you wrap it within a function as well. Let me try it. I wasn't really paying attention to the defer because it just seems so simple. But so what the defer would do is it basically would print this anytime there's a gap. So it could be first, or it could be in this wait area. Let's see, let's find out. See, it found a gap and it printed immediately. See that? It found a gap between 1, 3 and 0 and printed immediately. But yeah, that's what the defer does. It's basically like, this is like a side one. You don't need to focus. It tells Roblox, yo, don't focus too much on this one. Just do it when you can, basically. It could be last, it could be first, it doesn't matter. Just when you can. This is probably where you'd want to add up a actually no, I don't think you would want to add a auto save on a defer, because imagine if there's just so many lines of code going on and it doesn't find time to do it. It's just not ideal. You want to add a code or auto save in this type of code, even a spawn, and then make it time a looping every seconds save. But yeah, so on to the next. Remote events. This is how you shops actually works in Roblox. So because if you know that when players get scripts, they get local scripts in it. They don't get these normal scripts. I just did this for the sake of doing, but usually what's meant to happen is they're meant to get a local script, like a shot. Let's say there's a shot, right? The player has money, but he has local script, and the money isn't handled on the local script because that's how you can get exploiters. It's handled here. Player would have to say, yo, I want to buy this. They would communicate. If it says that, oh yeah, this player does have money, would communicate back and give her whatever it is in it, you know what I mean? And it's best if I show you. It's better showing. First, we're gonna have to create leader step. Let's name this leader stat. That thing I did right here, player, that just instantly makes the parent of the leader stat player. Good things to know. Just so we have some things to work with. Let's see if this is running correctly. Yes, it is. And when I'm doing the thing, I don't want that script to run, so I'm gonna just it'd be very complicated if it runs. Is it remote event function? I'm gonna find out. But yeah, other than that, you go here, green UI. What do you have? X button. Drag this in the middle. And that's my button. I stopped a bit early, so I'm gonna go back and so let's try and make these do something. First, we're gonna add a local script. We're gonna rename it to so this is, we're really getting into the schematic thing. This is how you really check the players got what not and all of that. I'm gonna go learn the second half and I'll be back. It seems I have made the mistake. But this is a one-way thing, it's not two-way, so I have to change this to, it's actually giving, this is a giving the coin. I mean button, not taking them. But you're gonna get this. You're gonna get this right here. And then you're gonna put in leader stats. And then after that, you wanna, I'm missing something very bad here. Hold on. It's a full stop. Let's see how this works. Yeah, this is the give money part. I'm not rich, I have 900 coins. You know what, this can buy me in a Mirrors game. This can buy me the world. But yeah, now that was today's video, guys. Sorry if I don't seem too enthusiastic. As I said, my sleeping schedule, I messed it up yesterday, which is why the coding video yesterday couldn't come out, so the rest came out so late. But today I hope to get both of them on time too. Like I said, where wins me, yeah, I couldn't fit that in today. That's only coming out like tomorrow. But yeah, if you watched my video this far, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But most importantly, make sure you have a blessed day. Take care of yourself. Peace.